Is there any AI platform that you're currently using that is working out for you? Any AI tax platform, any AI job hunting platform that is working out for you? You can drop it in the comment section. Recently, somebody messaged me on WhatsApp, and this person is a stay-at-home mother, and she asked me, Solomon, I'm a stay-at-home mom with kids. What can I do online from home, to earn extra cash to support my husband? Now, if you're a student or a stay-at-home mom, you have to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because today I'm going to talk about different remote jobs that you can do at night, and I'm also going to be mentioning different websites that you can go to job hunt these particular roles. Also, you can choose which one you are going to go for, because some of these jobs require experiences, some don't. Some require some certain qualification and criteria, while some don't. So you have to choose exactly what will work out for you based on what you currently have. Because the mistake most people make is that they want to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars online, and they don't have any skill. They don't have any current information that is currently working. For example, somebody messaged me and say, Solomon, my house rent is expiring in September. What can I do now to make a lot of money before September? But I asked the person, do you have any online skill? The person say no. Are you current? What kind of information do you currently have? The person say none. I've never made money online before. That is the problem. So today I'm going to be talking about different remote jobs that you can do at night, and some of the websites that can go to get these particular remote jobs. So you are going to choose what you like. And if you think that you're getting any value from my channel, do well to like the video so that other people can see it. Share the video and click on the subscribe button to get more content from me. As a stay-at-home mom, one of the best jobs that you can get online right now is called online tutoring. Why is that? Because you have kids at home, you have children at home, so you already have the experience of motherhood. So this is one of the most easiest jobs that you can go for. So the first job is called online tutoring. This is where you teach people remotely. It could be about languages, it could be about courses, different kind of things. It could be about lessons like maths, different subjects, school lessons, any kind of lessons. Just teaching people online is called online tutoring. Where can you get jobs like this? People will mention Upwork, Fiverr, and the rest. But these places are good, but they're already saturated. Even LinkedIn too, even platforms like Indeed. One of the platforms I am going to recommend is this particular platform they call preply.com. They call it preply.com. So go over there and check it out. If you cannot get an online tutor job from all these job websites, well, you can actually start a YouTube channel, or you can start a Facebook page, or even a TikTok live video. I've seen a lot of people doing it. Then you can stand there and start teaching people based on what you want to teach them. Like I said, it could be about school lessons, like different subject, life lessons, different things that you have to offer these particular people. Parents can meet you and say, I want you to be teaching my children, and they pay you. That is how you can also make money as an online tutor. If you're a stay-at-home mom, if you're a student and you want something to do part-time, check this website called preply.com, or you can become a content creator and showcase what you have to offer for people. SDR means sales development representative. What do you do as an SDR? So what you do is that you contact potential clients and you set up meetings with this client for different companies, and that is how you get paid. So this is something that you can do at home. Now there are some websites you can go to get this kind of jobs, or you can go to job hunt this kind of job opportunities. So websites like Upwork is actually popular. Another one is called wellfound.com. Another one is called career.cherryassistant.com. career.cherryassistant.com. Don't bother yourself, I'm going to put it on the screen for you. If I don't pronounce it well, I'm going to put it on the screen for you so that you can actually go and check it out. So these are some places you can go and get these particular jobs. Now mind, if you cannot access this website in your location, you can always use, you understand, and here you know what I mean. Now if you don't know what I mean, join my Selim account, go and follow me over there. You're going to understand what I mean, because most of this website now, you might not access it in your location. Even if you do, you might not have an available job for you based on your location. So that could be a problem, but that is not really a problem if you know how to, you understand. So do want to follow me on my Selim account. So check out this job and tell me what you think in the comment section. Me personally, I'm trying to be realistic. If you're a stay-at-home mom and your husband allows you, this next job is the job you can do next: customer support or live chat agent. But this is also not that good because AI is replacing a lot of live customer support and things like that, which is really not that good. But I think it's something that still works. These websites that you're seeing on my screen right now, these are the websites you can go to get this particular job. So go there and job hunt this particular job opportunity on these websites that you're currently seeing on my screen. There are like 6 or 7 of them. The next job opportunity on my list is called community manager or community management, but community manager is much more better. Now this is when different companies or different individuals hire you to moderate their community. Now for example, me personally right now, I need a community manager because I have a lot of communities, so I cannot be responding to all the comments and everything by myself. So what do? I'm going to hire a community manager that their work is to manage the community. If I'm willing to pay for something like this, that means there are big companies, big creators, big brands that are also willing to pay. You can take that particular chance if you need an extra side hustle to earn an extra side income. So community management is something you can do. You can go to this particular website and job hunt this particular job offer. But if this is your job and this is what you want to do full time, all you could do, you can start creating content around this particular topic. Easiest way to get client is to create content. You have to be visible for people to see you. If it's hard for you to get jobs on big platforms, make yourself visible. Show people what you can do so that they can see you. Once they see you, that's how they can hire you. So this is another job opportunity that you can do at night to earn some extra cash for yourself, and they can pay you either daily, hourly, weekly, monthly, based on your negotiation. So tell me what you think if you're going to start community management in 2026. The next job opportunity is called online technical support specialist. Now, what do you do with this particular job? Now, in this particular job, you help people solve their digital problem and they pay you for your service. For example, I have a problem with my blogging website, and right now I need somebody that can help me and solve that particular problem. I can hire somebody to solve that problem and I can pay them. You need a skill because you have to know something before you can solve something. So you actually need a skill. So if you have any digital skill, any technical skill, any software skills, then this is a job you should go for. The next job opportunity is called AI data reviewer and AI data evaluator. Now, these are people that help to review AI results and evaluate AI output result to see if the AI is making mistake or not before they launch the AI to the public. A lot of AI platforms coming up lately and offering different job opportunities. So you can check out this particular job offer on this website that you're seeing on my screen. Check the ones that are available based on your location. Next one I have on my list right here is absolutely amazing, and this is something I think everybody should try in 2026, and I'm going to explain why and how and what is this particular job opportunity. Let me tell you how video editors actually make money. Number one, you can work for different companies, different brands, different people personally, and you make money. Number two, you can actually job hunt on different job hunting platforms and they pay you for your service. Number three, you can become a content creator and you make money. Number four, you can start teaching video editing and you make money. Number five, you can become a clipper. You make money from clipping content for different people and different brands, and you actually make money from doing that. So there's a lot of potential inside video editing, and this is something anybody can do. Old, young, big, small, stay-at-home mom, student, anybody can learn video editing skill. I have a video editing course down below. You can check the comment section or check the description of this particular video. Right there, they will teach you how you can use your smartphone to start editing videos in 2026. Just your smartphone, you can start editing videos in 2026, and that is what that particular course is going to teach you. You can check down in the comment section. I paid people to do my video editing for some of my channels for me. I know how much they charge me, or how much you want to charge me, for them to edit my videos for me. I personally will recommend video editing in 2026. So check out this particular skill is down below and tell me what you think in the comment section.